After nearly 3 days, they're finally done, and I'm so excited to try them out. Check this out. I printed some slides. Lots of spider webbing going on there. All right, let's take them out. Let's see what we got. And they're on there. That's gonna be fun to clean up. That's awesome. You see it? That's awesome. Oh man, that support came off so easy. Oh, that came off so easy. Problem is going to be all of this spider webbing. Oh, that one came off even easier. Cool. Heard people say they have a hard time getting this off of TPU off of their textured plates, so I hope it does it. I hope it's not too difficult. I'm gonna put my coffee somewhere else. Could torch it, but this is TPU, so I want to be very careful. So just pull off as much of this as I can. I dried this filament for at least 6 hours before using it. Still probably didn't have it calibrated good enough. All right, torch. Let's see what you can do. My wife bought me this like a decade ago. Let's see if this helps. All right, let's give this a shot. looking better, but there's still quite a bit. I don't know, that might just have to do. Any of you have experience with getting rid of the spider webbing? Leave a comment down below, maybe that'll help me out. Looks good though. Let's work on this other one here. Oh, that's good enough for now. Let's try this out. They sink a little whenever I stand in them. If I put all my weight on my heels, they're comfortable. I can feel some of that spider webbing. I'm gonna have to finish cleaning some of that up. But all in all, they fit great. And I'm impressed. What do you think? About 55 hours later, and my slides are done. I don't think I showed off my TPU spool system here. I designed these hangers to go here on my shelf and hold this metal rod so that it would hold it directly over and feed straight in. It worked great. There are the slides. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. See you later.